in a multi-story car park in Bangkok, standing on the up and down circular ramps with hundreds of other people. And the reason for that, we're going to get some drifting. Toyota behind me, it's just drifted up the mall. This has been built especially this year for Toyota Team Thailand as a showpiece, as a real demonstration drift car, and it's really demonstrated itself today in the hands of Kunpan, one of Thailand's most famous and most accomplished drift drivers. It's just spun its way round the circular up and down ramps at the end of the mall car park, and it was a spectacular sight. It's only really in first gear, but the noise in that built-up zone was insane. The popping and banging of the engines that came up. People were jammed in every space available to see this. It was a short run, but it was really exciting, and it's going to be doing more runs today as well. So the fans are going to be waiting on that and hanging out, waiting to see this go up and down again. Who should I find right in the middle of all this mayhem than Kunatavud, Thailand's most accomplished driver. event really has an underground feel, and although I'm on a second floor mall according to the number on the pillar here, it's actually, the car parks are full right from the massive underground car park at the bottom, which is full of all different models split up into the years and the genres, and really going right up through each car park level there's different Toyotas. Toyota is the biggest brand here, so it's obviously hundreds and hundreds of these owners will turn up. And Show DC Mall, it's a dead mall basically, no one comes here anymore. The car parks are packed and every car in here is a Toyota. Just one corner is for customers of the mall, one little corner at the bottom, the rest is all Toyotas, every shape, every age, every size. This place is rammed with Toyotas from the very early days, from the 60s right through to 2020. And there's some really beautiful classics in here. Just look at this early Corolla. It's absolutely beautiful. And there's many like this. There's just absolutely everything you could imagine in this event today.